Welcome back, Versla sellers. Today we're providing a step-by-step guide to setting up your free web store on our platform. Begin by logging into your Versla account and navigating to Settings on your dashboard. Within the Your Web Store section, select Store Settings. Choose to use either a free versla.shop subdomain or your own domain. Next, personalize your shop. Choose a shop name that accurately represents your brand and upload a high-resolution logo and browser-friendly square icon. Draft a warm and engaging welcome message for your visitors. You can also use our AI rewrite feature to have ChatGPT help you with this. Proceed to the Design section. Align your theme color with your brand's aesthetics. Choose whether to showcase your shop on Versla's shop page, if you would like to enable the navigation bar, and if so, choose the links you would like to show, and add any social media links you would like to display. You can also choose if you would like Versla to follow you on your social media profiles to boost your reach. Once you're happy with your choices, click Update Shop. If you're using your own domain, please remember to point your CNAME to proshop.vers.la. And note that if this is the first time pointing the domain to Versla, that it might take some time for the DNS to resolve and your SSL certificate to generate. Now let's add some content. Go back to your web store and select Page Content. Here you can create meaningful pages such as About Us, providing your audience with deeper insights into your brand. Click on Create a New Document. Enter a title and content, and choose if you would like to link to this content in your shop's footer. Lastly, define your product categories if you wish to have any. Return to the Your Web Store section and select Categories. Here you can create categories to help organize your products. Click on Create a New Category. Enter a category name and description. Then choose if this category has a parent and add an image for your category. And voila! You now have your very own Versla web shop ready to welcome customers. Feel free to add as many page content items or blog articles as you like to make your shop truly unique. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who might find it useful. As always, we wish you success on your Versla journey. Happy selling!